to Yardie Belly's Kitchen, and today we're just gonna do a real quick video. I'm planning to make some blackberry lemonade. Yes, blackberry ginger lemonade. And here I have the ingredients that I will be using. Blackberry, of course. Got these from Aldi supermarket, and good price. Yeah, and I have 2 containers here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the entire 2 containers, but I have them nonetheless. I have a piece of ginger because I add ginger to almost everything that I mix. Every drink that I mix, I add ginger to it. I have 1 lime and 1 lemon, and I never knew before that the lemon has a different flavor from the lime, but the wifey told me, and I started to believe her. And after trying it for myself, yeah, I find out say lemon tastes different from lime. Yeah, so I have 1 lemon and 1 lime. And I also add this here to my lemonade is liquid echinacea, which is a herb. And trust me, you've never had lemonade until you have some echinacea. Echinacea is one of those herbs that helps your immune system. And yeah, I got this from GNC. And it's a little bit expensive. I think it was about $14 for this little bottle. But it's worth it. I just put 1, you know. And then I have some sugar here. Sugar in the raw. Yeah, I put up all of them company, so hopefully them will big me up. Yeah, you have to do your thing in a foreign. You stay there. So join me in the kitchen as I make some lemonade, which is relatively simple. And I will show you my method. Everybody make it their own way, but me show you my method. Alright? So I've put the blackberry and the ginger, cut up the ginger and put it in my NutriBullet. And here I have the lime that I'm squeezing. And this lime squeezer or something. This lime squeezer something is very, very helpful. I promise you guys. You just put your lime in it and then you squeeze until the lime squeeze out. And so I'm just gonna squeeze my lime. Everything can be done in a concentrated way in the NutriBullet, right? And then you just add your water. So the lemon now, put in the lemon in it. See? And the lemon, I promise you folks, I never know that the lemon was so pungent until I started using it different from the lime. Lemon carry a whole different smell, you know, and the lemon skin, it has more nutrients than the lemon juice itself. And so I save my lemon skins, put them in the fridge, and make them freeze in the freezer. And then I just shave them, grate them into ice cream or whatever it is that I'm eating. Alright, the wife reminded me that we have some raspberry. Show the raspberry. And so I'm going to add some raspberry to this as well. I'm not going to add too much because the raspberry is very tangy. Eh? Oh, let me take them back out. Sorry folks. My son just reminded me of a very important thing. I have to wash them. Yeah, so I'm going to wash them. Okay, so yeah, so I washed these raspberries and I'm adding those to my magic bullet. And then I'm going to add my sugar. And you have to gauge your sugar. I'm putting about 5 tablespoons of sugar. Let's use that as a measuring. You gauge your sugar to your liking, and then you add your sugar, and you're gonna add some water. Yeah, just a little bit more water, and then you puree in your puree. Yeah, in your magic bullet, in your NutriBullet. Puree. Okay, so now we have our liquid here. Let me show you our blended juice. You see how the color rich? Yeah, nice and blended. And now I'm just going to strain it, because remember I said the blackberry and the raspberry have pits. I'm going to strain it in this strainer here. I'm going to try strain it 2 times to make sure all of the little sediments them come out, you know. And as I told you before, this part of it is concentrated, folks. Yeah, so it really I got thick. This is where now you take a little spoon and you stir him a little bit, you know, just to get him out. Alright. And I'm gonna strain this, and I'm gonna strain it maybe 2 times, as I said before, and then I'm gonna do the finish, just try to put it in a bottle, and yeah, adjust the sweetness to my taste. I might very much add some honey because you don't want to use too much sugar, you know. So I might add some honey. If you have agave, you know, whatever is your preferential sweetener, you can add it. Alright, so I'm going down to the bottom here. I'm going to throw off the part here now in our next container, because you see that part there, I'm going to add more water to that part there. Right? Yeah. You don't want it to go too deep down in the strainer. Yeah. Let me add some more. Alright, so that's the straining process. You get the gist. Alright, when we come back, you see the finishing, if not almost the end of it. Cool? Yeah. Okay, so I have my juice. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in another bottle here. You know, I buy this drink from Trader Joe's. So I added my honey, yeah, to this container, and now you have to shake it, because you know we couldn't bother with it too much. Wait me in there. Too much blenders thing and thing. Sometimes you have to go the easy route. So yeah, put in my honey in it and add a little bit more sugar. And now this is the easiest way to blend it. Shake it, yes, shake it. Shake it, margarita, shake it, margarita, shake it, margarita. Ooh. All right, and then I'm gonna just open my bottle and add the rest of stuff. Bear with me, folks. My cameraman disappear, so I have to go work with it. Little boy run gone hide. So bear with me. I just throw this in this. Yeah. Good. Good. And then, you want to hold the camera for me? Thank you.
Not really.
You mean me? Just hold the camera for me and I'm going to get some more water. Then, I'm going to add my Echinacea. Alright? Now, Echinacea is for the prevention of sickness, illnesses. Yeah, it's one of those good for your vitamin herby type of thing. And I'm putting 2, maybe 3 of the Echinacea, and then just a little bit more of the water, just to top it up with the water, and put on the cover. Shake again. And my juice is pretty much completed. The next thing to do is to put it in the fridge for it to cool, and get some ice and a glass. And yeah, got my blackberry, raspberry, ginger, and Echinacea lemonade. Folks, here is our finished cup of something. I just put some lime in it, and now just I got pour it in so you can see. I really a one. Put one lime for garnish. The lime I drop. But yeah, lemonade. It's a little bit frothy. My wife so much strain it, but I don't mind the froth because I know that it's natural, 100% natural, you know, as much as possible. So yeah, try this in your neck of the woods. Yeah, your lemonade with blackberries, raspberry, ginger, lime and lemon, and of course some echinacea. Taste it now, babes. You want to taste it? You taste it and say, tastes good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Wow. See? So my Josh echinacea. This is what you should buy. How it tastes? Tastes good. From here, weight now is a problem. But I like you put it back at the spot where it take from. How it tastes?
Good, very good.
Tastes good. Hey, try this in your neck of the woods instead of buying store-bought with processed lime and processed this and processed that. You know, grab your stuff, get some sugar in the raw, and some blackberry or blueberry, strawberry, all the type of berry them. Once them there, you can use them. Put it in some sugar and make lemonade. Yardie belly in a foreign, you know. Remember me tell you, Yardie and foreign kick up. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Yeah, and all them something there. Post your comments below. Always accepting of positive comments. Yeah, so we appreciate it 100%. Yardie belly in a foreign.